are three Tirmana. Going to see. Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Muktaya or Tirmana Adavu, the first variant. We'll see the first Muktaya Adavu now and then I will break it down for you all. Kitta, ta, ka, tari, dit, tari, tari, dit, tari, tari, dit, tari, tadi, gin, na, so. Your leg is going to be similar to your Didite Adavu. So that is, you're going to sit in Arimandi. You're going to first hit once and then do dit. You're going to repeat the same thing on your left side, that is hit and then do dit. For your hands, it's going to be in Tripataka Hasta. When you hit once, you're going to just, you can do this. I've seen people do. You can also just relax. You can do tari, dit. So your leg is extended and your hand goes front. Straight. There's no bend anywhere in your elbow. You're going to do tari, dit, and slightly bend, and then come back, dit. So when you come back from straight, you come to in front of your chest. Like this, and then you're going to go back. Your right hand is going to go back. That is come. We'll do it once. Tari, dit, tari, tari, dit, tari, tari, dit, tari, tadi, gin, na, so. Let's move to the second one now. There are usually three tadiginatom, takatadiginnatom, takatikuttadiginatom. So before ending any jati, you can see that Muktaya is usually done in Tilana or in Jati Swara. So now let's see the second one. It is, all the three are very similar to each other. It's just that one count increases every time. So for second one, it's going to be tari, tari, dit, tari, 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 dit, tari, 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 dit, tari, akka, tadi, gin, na, to. So you can see that every time, like if you're starting from right side, you start tari, dit, tari. The second one will be tari, tari, dit, tari. So you're going to start from your right and do one dit or two dit or next one, that is 3. 1, 2, 3 dit. I'll show you the third one also. Third one, there is slight variation in your hands. So you're going to sit in Arimandi. Tari, 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 dit, tari, 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 dit, tari, 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 dit, tari, akka, tikku, tadi, gin, na, to. So these are the three Muktaya Adavu that you usually see. There is also another hand that we will see in next class. These three are usually clubbed together and it will be something like tadi, gin, na, tom, takka, tadi, gin, na, tom, takka, tikku, tadi, gin, na, tom. And this usually ends our jati part in most of the dances with the same tala. Most of the jatis end and we put Tirmana or Muktaya Adavu there. So let's end our today's video here. For next video, we'll see our bigger Tirmana or the different hand that we do for Tadiginnato, Takatadiginnato. Thank you for watching today's video and Namaste.